Welcome to Trojan Corner. Today we are reading Mind-Boggling Numbers by Michael J. Rosen. Greetings from Miss Mary Math. Dear readers, I can't begin to calculate my delight with this book. It might be 94.6%. It might be close to a ton, 2,000 pounds. It could even be 1,001 gallons of happiness. Ever since I was young, whenever something involving arithmetic came along, friends and even grown-ups would say, "Oh, just give the math to Mary." Before long, my nickname had become Miss Mary Math, and today I am the go-to whiz for mind-boggling math questions. So what's the story behind the book in your hands? It's a dozen doozies, story problems from all across the 2.3 billion acres that make up the United States. To help you appreciate some of these amazing numbers, you'll find that I'm going to use you for a few comparisons. I know readers can come in all shapes and sizes, but I'm going to pretend that you stand exactly 4 feet tall, that you weigh about 60 pounds, and that you can walk 1 mile in 20 minutes. These are all just averages, but you'll soon see how they can help us understand some tricky questions. What about metric conversions, you ask? Or at least one of you faithful readers is bound to ask. You can find those at the end of the book. So let's get on with the math. Dear Miss Mary Math, when it starts raining, if I get wet, so what? I get wet. But what about tiny creatures like mosquitoes? Can the raindrops squish them? From Puddle Jumper in New Orleans, Louisiana. Answer. It's so sweet that you worry about these irksome insects, but in this case, you should find some needier creatures to soak up that love. Each mosquito weighs 2.5 milligrams. Using the metric system for tiny weights is much easier than using the U.S. customary system. A mosquito's weight barely tips registers on even a very tiny scale, so ounces aren't useful. It takes 400 skeeters to weigh 1 gram. That's about a paperclip weight. Now, a typical raindrop weighs 50 times more than a mosquito, 125 milligrams. What if something 50 times heavier than you came splashing down to the ground? Let's see, 50 times your weight of 60 pounds is 3,000 pounds. Imagine getting hit with a raindrop the weight of 10 pianos. Not only are mosquitoes incredibly light, but their bodies have a strong and flexible outer shell called an exoskeleton. So a skeeter can hitch a brief ride if body surfers on a falling raindrop and then break free unharmed before hitting the ground. You, on the other hand, all those falling pianos of water, run for cover.